Farmyard, the People's Channel.
Greetings, football from Yard Massive. Just a quick preview of Jamaica's second match of the CONCACAF U-17 tournament against Guadeloupe in Guatemala City. Hopefully, the Reggae Youths have had a good rest and are ready for their second battle of the competition after an opening 4-2 victory against Cuba. Guadeloupe, a very rugged team, lost a hard-fought 2-1 battle in their first match against Costa Rica. Guadeloupe's defense, including the goalkeeper, looked shaky early on, but they also showed that they can be dangerous. Guadeloupe has a few players who look very young, but they also have a couple who look like full-grown men. The Jamaican defensive line will have to increase its focus compared to the Cuban match. Guadeloupe's goalkeeper appeared to have some game-day nerves, as his glove work wasn't the cleanest. The back four is somewhat inconsistent. They tend to switch off on occasions and lose track of players running the channels. Jamaica's Orion Watson should have some good opportunities if Guadeloupe utilizes a similar approach. Of the two central defenders, one is good in possession but shaky in covering defensively. The other is a solid defender but shaky in possession. The left back, Yanis Bienville, is the stronger of the two fullbacks and looks to be one of the better players on the team. Things can always change quickly at this level and coaches can make adjustments, but based on the small sample size, Jamaica might have some opportunities on the right side of Guadeloupe's defense. Their midfield trio has some creativity but is a bit on the light side. The number 12, Axel Kalau, who's only 15, reads the game well and is a good passer, but struggles at times against pacey or powerful players. Left winger, William Jacques, is tricky and will have to be monitored carefully, while the big striker, Danis Cardinal, looks like he'll be causing some problems. Costa Ricans were in some serious discomfort as he was holding up the play and battering through their defense, including a powerful shot that cannoned off the post. A confluence of factors including injuries, fatigue and tactics should influence the Jamaican coaching staff's personnel changes for this encounter. The left side of Jamaica's defense, Adrian Reed Jr. and Nashawn Bolt-Barrett are both carrying yellow cards. If they receive another card during the next two group stage games, they will miss the subsequent match. On top of that card, the hard-running Bolt-Barrett appeared to have picked up a slight injury before leaving the field against Cuba. Given those two factors, the coaching staff should probably swap him out and bring in Brandon Bent at left back. The midfield duo has a heavy workload in the 3-4-3 formation, so they could rest Ronaldo Barrett or Jordan Mangatul and bring in Adrian Mahoney in the center of the pack. Whoever the coaching staff selects, the team has the capability to defeat Guadeloupe, even if it may be a challenging contest. With a victory and 3 points, Jamaica's qualification to the next round is guaranteed. A draw and 1 point may also be good enough to qualify the team if Cuba happens to lose in the later match against Costa Rica. There were some encouraging signs in the previous game where Jamaica showed some sparks here and there. Hopefully in this game, the fire will fully blaze. Respect as always, linkage next time.